Welcome, beautiful people. I am chevb. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you are subscribed down below. Y'all, today we're about to review this hair from alipearlhair.com, and I can't wait to show you guys the full install for this unit. So the hair is a HD lace. It is a 13 by 4 lace frontal, and as you guys can see, even though the hair is pre-plucked, it still needs a little bit of bleaching on the knots. So I would recommend you to customize it by bleaching the knots just a little bit, like maybe like 5 minutes with the bleach on there, just to get it to have like a natural look. So this is what the lace is looking like, and the lace is pretty good. We just need them knots to be a bit more natural. So I got this hair in 30 inches, and it is a 250% density wig. So y'all know that is full. Like, I'm absolutely loving the fullness of this unit. So y'all know how I do. The first thing I need to do when I'm customizing my unit is to get that hot comb. Like, you need your handy dandy hot comb. Now you can get the hot comb on Amazon, you can get it at your local beauty supply store, you can get it just about anywhere, and I suggest you get this tool. Like, a hot comb will change your life. So I just put a little bit of hair wax on the front, and then I use a hot comb, and that's all I did. I did wash the hair before I installed it, because that is super important when you're like styling curly hair. If you wash that baby and leave it to air dry overnight, the curls be popping. So that is what I did, and this is what the texture of the hair looks like after I have washed it. And then I put a little bit of Tresemme serum on the hair just to give it that shine. Now girl, you know I'm a lazy girl when it comes to installing my wigs, girl. I ain't got no time for the ball cap method, so we're just gonna go straight into the install. So what I did was tighten the band in the back of the wig, and then I'm just gonna install right away. So no ball cap method for me. I'm just trying to put this wig on and go. As you guys can see, my makeup is on and everything. I am going out, so the fastest method, the better. So this is what the hair is looking like once it's on my head. Now honestly, you could wear this hair as glueless. I wanted it to be tacked down though properly, because it was a little bit windy outside, all that good stuff. I just wanted it to make sure that I actually have it tacked down. I wanted it to be melted. So first things first, I always cut off the sides of the lace first, just to make sure that it is fitted around my ear. I want that natural look, just in case I wear the hair slicked back and all that ish. So what we're going to be using is the EBIN spray, and I have been using this spray and curl. The hold on this is super good, and as you guys can see, there's no problem with me spraying it directly near my hairline, because this spray isn't so harsh. All it needs is a little bit of water and the hair is lifted. Like, I prefer it that way. I don't think it's safe for me to have any type of glue that's gonna take an arm and a leg to remove. If it needs water to be removed, that is fine by me. I don't mind the easy removal. Okay, I don't need my wig to be on for a whole month or pulling out my edges. Like, that's just not me. That's not my preference. But anyways, going to cut off the lace like I do my typical method, just going around my natural hair lining. And again, with some wigs, they do have widow's peak as the primary type of wigs. Like, that's the standard, and I don't have a widow's peak. Like, I don't mind having a big forehead and my hair, you know, a little bit showing my forehead. Like, I don't mind that. I don't want the wig to not look natural on me, like the features in my face change because of how the wig is looking. So I want to make sure that it's not all the way down on my eyebrows or too far down on my forehead. Now once I have completely taken off the excess lace, I'm just gonna dab the lace spray on my fingertips and dab that on the wig. Then I'm gonna tie it down with this elastic band, and that is it for the melting. Like, as you guys can see, the hair is already done. Like, it's curly hair. You don't have to do much with it. You put some mousse on that girl in the front to lay it down, and that is it. I absolutely love a loose wavy type of hair. It's super low maintenance. So if you're not that girl that wants to do a whole lot of with your units, this is the wig for you. Now the final step for me is putting a little bit of powder. You can use foundation powder, whatever powder that you have, to put on the parting space so that it looks natural, that it looks scalp like that is what you need. So this is the final look, and girl, absolutely in love with this hair. If you follow me on Instagram, you would probably already see me wear this unit. Like, I already posted a picture wearing it, so you already know. We wear it outside. You can see the full look of it. 30 inches of greatness, 250% density. That's full. Okay, all the details will be down below for you guys. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at damn.chev. And I'll see y'all beautiful people in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.